Hello and welcome. This is Damayanti here. Today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what is attraction marketing. Now, as you know, any business needs sales. So if you don't have sales, that means you don't have a business. So in order to get the sales, you do marketing. So there are different ways of doing marketing. So today we are going to discuss attraction marketing. So when you ask the question, what is attraction marketing? It is mainly a change in your mind. With attraction marketing, what you're doing is you're attracting clients and the prospects and leads to you instead of you chasing after them. Usually used to happen is that you talk about your products, your services to the other people. So with attraction marketing, you're more concerned about solving the other person's problem. So if you can be a solutions provider, the people will attract. So people go on Google and ask how to do this, how to do that, or how to get rid of a back pain or whatever it is. So if you have the goods to provide them with information that will help you, so they will attract to you. So with attraction marketing, it's the whole concept is you're not going behind them, but they're coming to you asking about more information or even to buy what you have to offer. So when that shift happens, what happens is you get most qualified people attracting to you. So it's so easy to close these people, and because you're providing a solution to a problem that you're looking for answer. The reality is people buy from the people that they know, like and trust. And also remember, the goal of attraction marketing is prospects comes to you. When that happens, that is attraction marketing in action. So if you do this attraction marketing correctly, you can save so much time because you are filtering all the unwanted leads, and you're only getting the prospect that are qualified, who are ready to buy what you have. So if you change your mindset, you can see enormous results with a short period of time without spending so much time on doing things that are not going to produce your results. So with that said, go ahead and go over to my website and sign up to receive free updates, because I share some information that I usually don't share elsewhere. With my just with my subscribers, I share some information. So with that said, if this helps, just share with your friends and followers on Twitter, Facebook, etc., and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. With that said, you have a fabulous rest of the day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.